Joseph Plumbers. Kindly, if you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe, like, share to Joseph Plumbers, and continue following my videos, guys. Then you should learn more things about plumbing. So guys, the place you see here, this is the toilet. This is the toilet that I'm installing, you can see. And here now I have the top flush cistern. This is the cistern of this toilet. You can see this is the cistern. So I want to install to this English pan. This is the English pan. This is the toilet, the steam toilet, as you see. Here now I have mounted on with the cement. You can see the cement I applied. I use this cement, guys, so that to hold it on the floor, as you see. After that, then I'm going to remove some of the remaining cement behind to these toilets. Then I will clean it. Then you should look at how it looks. So now I'm going to fix this cistern. Let me show you. So this is the cistern. I'm going to fix it on this wall. So see, I'm going to fix it like this, the way you see. So let's continue watching this video. You see how I'm going to finish this installation. Then you should learn more things. If you want to install the toilet in your room or in your master bedroom, then you will follow this procedure that I'm going to use it. If you watch this video. Thank you for watching. Continue watching.